So,
very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Indigo Flight. I'm Captain Vivek Gandasamy. With me in cockpit, second in command is Rahul Mishra. And in cabin for your comfort and safety, today we got Anisha, Suprita, Pallavi, Deepika, headed by the lead cabin attendant Ravisha. On behalf of the entire crew, welcome on board flight. Airbus A321, the brand new aircraft. First of all, on behalf of the entire crew, we wish you happy Diwali. It's a short sector from Bagdogra to Kolkata. Runway news in Bagdogra was 36. After we depart, we'll be turning right, setting our course towards southerly direction, climbing out to 31,000 feet above mean sea level, covering a distance of approximately 600 kilometers in time span of 50 minutes at a cruising speed of about 900 kilometers per hour. I'll get back to you in cruise with the latest touchdown time into Kolkata, and then sit back, relax and enjoy your flight. And today, October 20th, is an International Air Traffic Controllers Day. On behalf of the entire Indigo team, we wish them a happy International Controllers Day, because they are the backbone of the aviation, who make us to fly safely, efficiently and orderly manner in the sky. Once again, on behalf of the entire crew, we thank you for choosing Indigo and happy Diwali. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
200 minimum. $50, $40, $30, $20. Retard, 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 retard.